హాయ్ గాయ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్లో 30-60 డిగ్రీస్ అనేవి ఎలా వచ్చాయో అనేది తెలుసుకుందాం. హియర్ ఐ రైట్ ఏ నోట్, రీడ్ ఇట్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. I will explain this all paragraphs. So let's start without any late. First take a triangle. Let us now calculate the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. To calculate them, we will take an as equilateral triangle. Draw the perpendicular which can divide the triangle into two equal right angle triangles having angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees each. అంటే ముందు ఒక ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ని తీసుకుందాం. అంది ఈచ్ యాంగిల్ అనేది అందులో ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటుంది. దానికి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ని కరెక్ట్గా డ్రా చేస్తే 30 డిగ్రీస్, 60 డిగ్రీస్, 90 డిగ్రీస్ అనే యాంగిల్స్ అనేవి మనకి వస్తాయి ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో, ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్లో. అండ్ సెకండ్ పారా, in a equilateral triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees and AB equal to BC equal to CA. Draw the perpendicular line AD from vertex A to BC and AD acts as angle bisector of angle A and bisector of side BC in the equilateral triangle ABC. That means here ABC is a right equilateral triangle. That means equilateral triangle, each angle must be 60 degrees. That's why angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees. That means sides are also equal in equilateral triangle. That's why AB equal to BC equal to CA. Draw a perpendicular line AD from vertex A to BC. That means here the vertex is A and here is the BC. This is BC. We must draw a perpendicular line like this. After that, angle bisector of angle A also called and bisector of side BC in the equilateral triangle ABC. We have to name this bisector, angle bisector, as AD. So it's AD. ABC is a equilateral triangle, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and we drawn a perpendicular bisector. After that, here 60 degrees, that's why it half, and here is 30 degrees and here is 30 degrees, and it is perpendicular bisector. That's why here 90 degrees. 90 plus 60 plus 30 equal to 180. That's why it's a right angle triangle. Are you understood, guys? After that, angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to 30 degrees. Since D divides side BC in equal halves. I already said angle BAC is 60 degrees because it is a equilateral triangle and we drawn a perpendicular bisector. That's why angle BAD become 30 and angle CAD become 30. After that, BD equal to half BC. That means here BD equal to half BC. Here I given, guys, BD equal to half BC. BD equal to half BC. Why? Because they both are right angle triangle and have perpendicular bisector. That's why they both have same length. Here BD equal to half BC we already said because AD is perpendicular bisector to BC. That's why BD equal to DC and BD and CD are two parts in BC. That's why BD equal to half BC. Here that is said. And that equal to 2a by 2, because here BC equal to a 2a and half, BC లో half, that means 2, that means 2a by 2 equal to 2 cancelled and a units came, that means BD equal to a. After that, consider right angle triangle ABD in the above given figure. We have to see like this. This is the right angle triangle in ABD and right angle triangle ADC. ABD, ACD. We have AB equal to 2A. AB equal to 2A because we assumed all sides are equal in equilateral triangle and one side equal to 2A. That means all side lengths are 2A. That means AB equal to 2A and BD equal to A. Then by Pythagoras theorem, we already know Pythagoras theorem. If you don't know, I will put the all trigonometric videos in this video description. See and enjoy. AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. How this come? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. By that formula, this AD square equal to AB square minus BD square come. What is the AB square? AB square 2A square. We substituted AB value is 2A, that means AB square equal to 2A square and minus we substituted, and what is the value of BD? BD A square. That means hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. AD square equal to AB square plus AB square minus BD square. 2A square minus A square, because A is the value of BD. After that, A square is 2 square 4 because 2A whole applied square, that's why 2 square 4 and A square write as same, and minus here minus square. We have 4A squares and we have to given a square, that's why remove A square from 4A square, that means 3A square came. Understood guys? See once again clearly. That means AD equal to A root 3. How A root 3 come? Here 3A square equal to AD square goes into this, that's why root applied. 3A square equal to root 3A square. A square and root cancel, that's why A comes to front. 3 is in root, so 3 written in root. Finally we got the AD value A by A root 3. Here is the triangle. In this way we got the AD value A root 3 from the definitions, the trigonometric ratios. ఆ విధంగా మనం ట్రిగోనోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ని కనుగొన్నాం. That means sin 60. From this way we have to see AD by BD. So opposite side by adjacent side, opposite by hypotenuse is the sine value, that's why AD by BD. AD by given, that's why A root 3, AD value is A root 3 and AB value is 2A, that's why A cancelled root 3 by 2, sin 60 came. After that cos 60, after that cos 60, that means adjacent by hypotenuse, A by 2A, A by 2A, A cancelled and 1 by 2 came. tan 60. That means opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. AD is 2 root 3. A root 3. Here that given. A root 3 by A cancelled and root 3 came. Cosecant 60 equal to 1 by sin 60, 1 by 3 root 2 equal to that reciprocal when we multiplied it 1 by 3 by 1 by root 3 by 2 equal to 1 into 2 root 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 came. And secant 60 equal to 1 by cos 60 when we reciprocal that it came, and 2 is the secant 60. And when we see the cos 60, 1 by tan 60, here is root 3 by 1 or root 3 tan 60. When we reciprocate, 1 by root 3 came. Sin 30 equal to 1 by sin 30. Here 30 came, 30 degrees. We have to see in this way, in this angle. So, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. That means A by 2A. A cancelled and 1 by 2 came. After that cos 30. Cos 30 means we have to see in from 30. Cos 30 means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here AD value is A root 3. A root 3 by 2A. A root 3 by 2A. A cancelled and root 3 by 2 came. And after that tan 30. Tan 30 equal to BD by AD because BD by AD because we have to see from this way because 30 degrees angle we have to take in. That's why BD by AD equal to, here this value is 2 and this value is A root 3 because we already found AD. A by A root 3, A cancelled and 1 by root 3 came. After that cosecant 30 equal to 1 by sin 30. That means we have to find, we also find 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1 by 1 by 2, 1 into 2 by 1 equal to 2 cosecant 30 came. That means sin is reciprocal for cosecant. Cosecant is reciprocal for sin. Secant 30 equal to 1 by cos 30 equal to cos 30 is 3 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 into 2 by root 3 equal to 2 by root 3. Secant is reciprocal for cos and cos is reciprocal for secant. After that cot 30, 1 by tan 30, 1 by 1 by root 3 equal to 1 into root 3 by 1 equal to root 3. That means cot is reciprocal for tan and tangent is reciprocal for cotangent. Okay friends, how do you understand this, how 30 degrees values and 60 degrees values came? If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends with WhatsApp and Facebook if you like, and subscribe for instant notification. Meet in next video guys. Bye.